Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 4-step ladder is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools you can have around the house or workplace, allowing you to easily reach those hard-to-reach places with stability and safety. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be tricky. In this video, we will review the top 4-step ladders on the market, comparing their features, safety, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Delxo Non-Slip 2-Step Stool. It's the perfect solution for reaching those hard-to-reach places around your home. Safe, sturdy, and easy to store, it's a must-have for every household. Use it in the kitchen, bathroom, garage, or office. It's ideal for a variety of tasks and spaces. With its hand grip and extra-wide pedals, it provides superior comfort and support, eliminating foot pain. The locking mechanism ensures ultimate safety. The automatic locking mechanism and sturdy steel construction provide reliable support up to 330 pounds. Non-marring legs protect your floors. It folds compactly for easy storage and portability. It's lightweight and easy to move around as needed. Made from sturdy alloy steel, it's built to last. It's a reliable and durable addition to your home. What we like. It folds up easily for storage. It's also very lightweight, making it easy to move around. If you need a sturdy, portable step ladder for small spaces, this is the one for you. What people say. It's super stable and is easy to fold and unfold. When it's folded, it can easily slide into a closet for safekeeping. It gives you plenty of height without it feeling cumbersome, and the steps are wide enough to stand on comfortably. The bar at the front makes me feel stable and secure. Number 4. Wiberwi 4-Step Ladder. It's perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, or garage. Get that extra height you need to reach high cabinets or wash windows with ease. This heavy-duty steel frame can hold up to 500 pounds. Wide pedals, sturdy construction, and anti-skid feet ensure your safety. Long, padded handrails on both sides give you a comfortable, secure grip. You'll feel confident and safe while working. Easily fold it up and store it away when not in use. It's compact enough for a closet, car, or under the bed. The included tool bag keeps all your essentials close at hand. Store screwdrivers, paintbrushes, or even a drink for added convenience. What we like. This ladder can hold a massive amount of weight. The handrails add extra safety, and the tool bag keeps everything organized. If you need a heavy-duty step ladder with extra safety features and convenience, this is perfect for you. What people say. The third step reaches very high and I feel very safe holding on to the top rail. It folds up easily and is a little heavier than I expected, but that's because it's sturdy and safe. Sure footing and the handles are great. Rubber feet are great for indoor use and stays put. Very sturdy and stays where you place it. Steps are wide and deep, and makes it more comfortable to be on. Number 3. Delxo 4-Step Alloy Steel Folding Stool. It's the perfect solution for reaching those hard-to-reach places. This versatile stool is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Use it in the kitchen, bathroom, garage, or office. It's a convenient helper for any task. Extra-wide pedals provide exceptional heel-to-toe support, ensuring comfort and stability with every step. It features an automatic locking mechanism and a built-in cross brace for ultimate security at any height. This lightweight stool folds down to just 2 inches for easy storage and transport. It's incredibly convenient. Made from sturdy alloy steel, it's built to last and can support up to 330 pounds. You can depend on it. What we like. It has a superior locking mechanism and extra-wide steps for safety. It's also built to last. If you prioritize safety and stability above all else, this is the best choice. What people say. The ladder is lightweight, super easy to fold, is of quality construction while easily supporting my 265 pounds body on each step. It is lightweight and very slim. It is sturdy, easy to set up and fold back up. The ladder is pretty stable, doesn't creak or seem to be under any strain, fits perfectly into a small space, and is just tall enough to allow the user to get up to the bed without any issues. Number 2. RIKADE 4-Step Ladder. It's perfectly sized for various tasks. At just 16.31 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to move, yet supports up to 330 pounds. Its sturdy steel frame and secure locking mechanism provide stability and safety. The comfortable hand grip adds to the ease and security of use. The wide, anti-slip pedals and non-slip feet ensure a stable and secure footing. High-grade steel construction guarantees your safety. When folded, it's only 2 inches thick, making storage incredibly easy. It's perfect for small spaces and convenient for everyday use. It's more than just a ladder, use it as a step stool, a small shelf, or wherever you need an extra boost. It's versatile for home or office. What we like. This ladder is incredibly lightweight and folds up to a very small size. Despite its compact design, it remains very stable. If you value space saving and easy portability without compromising stability, this is ideal for you. What people say. This 4-step ladder helps me reach almost anywhere in my house. It is quite sturdy and once unfolded it is pretty stable too. The 4 steps helps me reach even the high ceilings in my house especially needed to change bulbs, clean ceiling fans etc. The legs have grip pads which have anti-slip design. Locks in place so less chances of accident. It folds easily so takes very little storage space. I was looking for a 2-step ladder that had great stability and load-bearing weight, 330 pounds for this ladder, as the main criteria. I've climbed to the top of this ladder and leaned on the handle portion with heavy boxes in my hand, but this step ladder didn't even move an inch. The ladder itself is great, very sturdy with non-slip feet. You can stand safely and comfortably on any of the 4 steps because they are larger than normal ladder steps. Each is a non-slip platform. Number 1. HBTower 4-Step Ladder. This is the HBTower 4-Step Ladder, your new solution for safe and easy access to hard-to-reach places. It's designed with your convenience and safety in mind. It boasts an upgraded design for 2023. When open, it's 58.7 by 20.1 by 36.6 inches, but folds down to a compact 63.4 by 20.1 by 1.6 inches for easy storage, weighing only 18.5 pounds. This ladder features a built-in tool tray, so you can keep your essentials close at hand. Its compact folded size makes it perfect for small spaces and easy transportation. It's built with a high-grade steel frame for strength and reliability. A secure metal buckle automatically locks it into place for added safety. Enjoy peace of mind with non-slip rubber hand grips and wide pedals featuring a non-slip rubber pattern. Large rubber feet protect your floors and provide superior stability. We're here to help. Contact our friendly customer service team 24/7 for assistance with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. It features a built-in tool tray for convenience and folds up super thin for storage. It also provides great stability. If you need a ladder with extra storage and easy storage, this is a great option. What people say. Very sturdy, well-built ladder. Folds easily and can fit in tight places. This step ladder did not require assembly, a huge plus. It is as sturdy as the product description promises. When folded closed, it is very thin, which is great for storing. With minimal effort, it unfolds for use and the weight makes it easy to move around. It locks in the open position when you step on the top step, great safety feature. I love that it has a full-size and very roomy lower step instead of just a rung, like so many others out there, and it is very stable. It folds up very flat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.